Donald Trump has been arrested. Donald Trump entered a courthouse in Manhattan on Tuesday for the first-ever criminal arraignment of a former U.S. president. He was indicted Thursday on charges related to a hush money payment his former lawyer and fixer Michael Cohen made to former adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's office had not unsealed a grand jury indictment, which contains details of the charges against Trump. By the time the ex-president arrived to court Tuesday, Bragg will hold a news conference following the arraignment. The ex-president, meanwhile, plans to travel back to his Mar-a-Lago club in Florida after the hearing and deliver remarks there.